Hey, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Tuesday the 16th of June 2020. It is currently 4:34 p.m. here in Vietnam, local time. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts. The new candle was at 4 p.m, so about 35 minutes ago. A little bit of work, not a great deal, so let's get onto it and have a look. All right, this is my watch list on the right. These are all the pairs I'm trading. What's highlighted in orange is what I'm going to discuss in the video. What's highlighted in blue means it trades on. No highlight, no trade. So we'll start with the busiest one first. So this is the AusCAD 12-hour. Now, there's multiple sequences on here. Basically today I got a new buy signal here. I don't particularly like it as a buy signal, but it's a valid one. I have to take it. So sequence 1, you can pause the video, read my notes, but S1 stands for sequence 1, S2 sequence 2, S3 sequence 4, sequence 3, sequence 4. So where it's marked on the chart, that's where the sequence actually starts. It could be multiple trades taken on the same candle also. So because I've started a sell on this, a sell on this, a sell on this, basically hedging that. So I've taken a fifth hedge buy on sequence 1, a second hedge, that should be buy. I've written sell there, I'll change that, sorry about that. That should be second hedge buy, and a hedge buy on sequence 3, and I've taken a new sequence 4. There is hidden bullish divergence. It's not a great setup. It really needs to break through this resistance level. So you'll see blue trend lines are basically levels that interest me, like support resistance. Green trend lines represent bullish divergence. Red trend lines, bearish divergence. My sells are designated by a red vertical dashed line and a solid red horizontal line. Buys are blue. So sell, buy, so on. 3 moving averages are 50 EMA, 100 EMA, 240 LMA. They just give me an idea of direction. In this case, they're stacked to the upside and the trend is up. The QMP filter is these red and green dots on the chart. They're not an indicator as such. They're just a visual aid. They're a combination of 2 indicators, one being the MACD Platinum, which is a zero lag MACD. With this, I'm looking to sell when it's above the zero level and buy when it's below the zero level. The other indicator that's not displayed is called the QQE Advanced. It is, I don't need to see it on the chart, so when the QQE Advanced crosses and it's in sync with the MACD Platinum cross or dot, then it presents these green or red dots on the QMP filter, and all I have to have a look at is where the MACD Platinum is in relation to the zero level, which is this dotted line along there. So multiple trades happening here in the AusCAD. It gives me sequence 1, 2, and 3 are all hedged. Sequence 4 is the only one that's like a standalone buy. Overall break-evens off the charts right up here somewhere, so don't worry about that too much. Even though a lot of trades on, overall I'm only net plus 0.02. So what I'm looking forward to now is this MACD Platinum going above the zero level, then either doing something with sequence 4, then trying to add to these sequences and trying to close them out. It's just been on a slow, steady grind up, and it hasn't pulled back enough to close out any of these sequences. So that's the AusCAD. Aus-Swiss, sequence 1. This was sequence 1, and that was sequence 2. Now we have I've just moved it. Sequence 1 was this sell here, and they had a stop in place, which is the red dotted line there. They were stopped out for a massive total of 64 cents, which has been added to the list there. So that trade's no longer in play, so I can delete that. Now all these trades I talk about on these videos are all recorded on the shared spreadsheet since the 3rd of February 2020. It's on Google Drive. There's a link to that spreadsheet in the description of the video. So now with the Aus-Swiss, I've just got the single buy on here. Again, you can read my notes. So that's a buy left there. So sell was stopped out. CAD yen. I'm in a sell here. It's got a stop and place there, so that's good. We're sweet on that. This afternoon, got a new buy signal in here, so I've taken a new buy. There is hidden bullish divergence there, so we've got higher highs on price, higher lows on price, and lower lows on the MACD Platinum. So you can see the MACD Platinum's gone further lower compared to here. I could have put this green line from any of these lows here. It's the same result, but I just do it to this one, so it's sort of the obvious one. So I've taken a buy, got a sell. Now, there's hidden bullish divergence and there's a partial hedge with sequence 1 because we're short 1, long 2. Overall break-evens at this yellow dotted dash line at 77,446 because we're net plus 0.01 overall. As long as price stays above that yellow line, I'm in profit for both trades. So at the moment, I'm looking all right on that one. Euro yen, very similar, same deal. Got a sell already, stop and place, new buy signal today, new sequence 2, hidden bullish divergence, same deal, just about identical to the CAD yen. You see the correlation. Overall break even is a bit closer to price at 121,188. Again, net plus 0.01. So as long as price remains above it, we're in profit. Euro USD, what happened here? Oh yeah, my remaining sell trade, stop and place up here, just gone up and touched it. And now it's starting to roll over a little bit, but yeah, that happens. So that sell, took a loss in that second half of mine, it's $15.95. Overall, the sell trade was an overall small winner though. The spreadsheet's been modified and the profit to date's been modified here. So Euro USD, no trades on at the moment. Looking for potential hidden bullish divergence here, possibly setting up. It's not ideal. Ideally, I'd like to see price come back towards the MA, at least come into the 50 or close to the 50 before bouncing up, taking out. And again, we've got this big resistance level up here. So if we were to get a buy signal, I would take it, but look, I wouldn't call it an A+ setup by any means. And finally, New Zealand CAD. This thing's been in a sequence for a while. We took an initial sell, hedge buy, and it's gone up and it's just meandered sideways. Price is slowly ground up while the MACD Platinum's ground down, so there's regular bearish divergence there. Got a sell signal this afternoon. Look at that, the MACD Platinum's above, or just about on the 0 level, so it's not ideal because I use that as a filter for managing trades. But having said that, it is divergence and it is a part of a sequence, so I have to take this trade. Overall break even for all 3 trades is this yellow line there, so it hasn't got far to go. So hopefully we'll just see a push down through that yellow line and we can see what we can do from there. So that's it for the 12-hour charts for today. If you do like the video, please hit the subscribe button or hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. And like I say, there's a shared spreadsheet. The link to that's in the description of the video. And as normal, everyone is more than welcome to join the private Facebook group in JAGfx or the Telegram channels. More than welcome to have a look there. I mainly discuss stuff on the daily charts there and have a look at other trade setups and get a lot of questions, etc. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day, and I will chat to you tomorrow. Cheers.